Summer is here, and it's time to head outdoors for some camping, hiking, fishing, and relaxing in the sun. One of the most important things you'll need for your outdoor adventures is a comfortable, lightweight, and sturdy camping chair. In this video, I'll take a close look at the 5 best summer camping chairs on the market today. So, watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is Ever Advance High Back Folding Camping Chair. The Ever Advance High Back Folding Camping Chair is easily transportable and efficient to store. Its lightweight design of 8.5 pounds makes it perfect for people who are looking for a camping chair that can go everywhere with them without taking up too much space. It offers users the ultimate comfort they need for relaxation and enjoyment when out on their adventures. Equipped with a high back panel and soft padding, this camping chair relieves your spine after long periods of sitting. It provides maximum lumbar support that allows you to relax in great comfort and fine-tune the position. And lastly, its unique breathable fabric helps reduce heat and moisture buildup so that sitting for a long period of time won't leave you feeling sweaty and uncomfortable. Number 2 is GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Portable Rocking Chair. This portable freestyle rocker rocking chair makes it easy for you to enjoy your favorite rocking chair experience wherever you go. Its unique folding design and lightweight construction mean that the rocker can be quickly opened and ready to use in a matter of seconds. The powder-coated steel frame allows you to enjoy the benefits of outdoor rocking with peace of mind. It can support up to 250 pounds. No need to worry about weight restrictions or added wear and tear on the frame. It's built tough for outdoor durability and features padded armrest, a mesh backrest, and a convenient beverage holder. With this rocker, you can take along your comfort at the highest level during camping. And lastly, it features patented spring action rocking technology, giving you a gentle rocking motion and ultimate comfort. Number 3 is Picnic Time Camp Chair. This camp chair is made with a lightweight aluminum frame that provides superior stability. It provides comfort with an extra wide 19-inch seat and allows you to have your own personal relaxation station. With the built-in folding table, this chair makes it easy for you to fit snacks, a book, or both. The accessories panel on this chair offers a variety of pockets to hold personal items, 2 insulated bottled beverage pouches, and zippered security pocket. Grab and go with the under-seat carrying handles or use the adjustable, detachable shoulder strap for longer treks to the campsite. And the best part is, with a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds and its own lightweight design at only 9 pounds, you can confidently bring along this stylish chair knowing it won't weigh down your pack. Number 4 is SwimWays Kelsyus Original Foldable Canopy Chair. SwimWays Kelsyus Original Foldable Canopy Chair is the perfect choice for all your outdoor needs. This chair comes with a retractable sun canopy, secured by a durable snap lock buckle, so you can enjoy all your tailgates and outdoor events without fear of sunburn. The lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to transport from place to place, while the adjustable reclining angle ensures comfort wherever your adventures take you. Number 5 is KingCamp 2-Pack Folding Camping Chair. Create a comfortable seating experience during your outdoor adventures with the KingCamp 2-Pack Folding Camping Chairs. Ideal for camping, hiking, fishing, picnics, and other excursions. These chairs offer superior support with their heavy-duty construction that can accommodate up to 300 pounds in weight. The armrests ensure maximum comfort as you relax outdoors, while the foldable design makes them easily portable.